Hey guys, Joe with Elevated Rides here. Today we're going to be installing Rubicon rails, the factory Rubicon rails. And the reason we're doing that is going to be to protect this pinch seam area and the rocker area. Should be a pretty easy task. It's just a couple of hand tools, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. You're going to need a couple hand tools to install these Rubicon rails. It's going to be the 10 millimeter for the pinch seam bolts and the 13 millimeter for the 3 body bolts. So just as a tip, when you do buy these off somebody, if you don't already have steps or something down there, you won't have the hardware. So make sure you get the hardware when you're buying these off somebody. And it should look something like this. You're gonna get the body bolts and then these black pinch seam nuts. So installing these, you can do by yourself, but it's always nice to have a helping hand. But these just slide into place on these pinch seam holes here. It should be pretty easy. And they slide right into place. And you'll want to put like a nut in the back just to hold it in place while you're installing. Alright guys, so that install went pretty smooth. The rocker guards are now protecting that pinch seam and giving that added protection to the rocker area. But overall, it's giving us a nice clean look, and that's what we're really looking forward to. If you guys did this on your Jeep, let us know in the comments, or if you guys have any questions before doing this to your Jeep, let us know also. Hit the subscribe button. We're gonna continue building on this Jeep. We'd love you to follow along with it.